That was cool, wasn't it? What'd you think about that? Damn, Edelman, what happened?
With my kids.
What the hell happened to you, buddy? Who did that? Was that you?
What? Where does it go from here?
Oh, you got me right in the face.
Woo! Hold on. You want me to slow down? Oh, okay. Like this? Yeah, it's a straight up wall. Oh, dang. You want to jump off real quick while I climb this hill? You want to wait right here real quick? Okay. Let me get you off real quick. I'll be right back and come get you, okay? Just wait right here. Okay. I'm not gonna be able to get it. Let me see what it feels like. Oh, we're good. I don't think I'll be able to catch it. Too much of a wall now. Nah, it's all good. All right, well. Nah, don't worry about it.
You're gonna break it.
Yeah, it's not worth it. It looked cool though. I did break it down, okay.
Broke it down. Yeah. You're hanging up right in the center.
Yeah, it's all right. Not gonna get it. What's that?
You gonna try it again?
I'm gonna go the easy way. Get it, you got it. Oh.
I see we get winches running down.
What was that?
If we can hold this front end.
Oh yeah. We just need more wheelbase. That's a freaking drop off.
That's
That's a drop off. You gonna ride with me now? You're gonna get dirty, you know that, right? It's dirty. You sure? Okay. That was awesome.
Oh, you going right here?
We'll switch again. We'll switch again later. She said she was scared earlier. You ready? Hold on to these, okay? See this right here? This is for you to hold on to right here. Or you can hold on to me, whichever you prefer, okay? What do y'all think? Y'all like it? It's freaking awesome. You good? All right. You like to go fast? Okay. Hold on. There we go. You saw me get stuck in the mud? It looked cool, right? Yeah. I get stuck a lot. Oh, you good? Oh, we got some hill climbs here? Are these the hill climbs? Oh, shoot. Oh, man. I don't know about that. Good Lord. No. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. That looks sketchy as hell. That's a freaking hill climb right there. Holy crap, buddy. You scared me a little bit when you got up there. Good gosh.
I'm gonna try it, but I want to make sure what it does on the back side.
He freaked me out a little bit whenever you went up and he started sliding off to the side because it's loose. That's the
Well,
one.
the one good thing about it is it's beat in.
Yeah.
So you're not going to slide sideways, hopefully enough to where you're going to roll down. You know what I mean? The banks are going to catch you and kind of run you back down. I'm too fat to climb up there. I'll let the skinny ones do it.
Yeah, me too.
What does it do? Just go straight down?
Go to the left and it goes kind of down. Just like this, but it goes down.
Okay, so but following it that way?
Record it with your phone. Oh, shoot.
Go up and to the left. How hard to the left? Just kind of. All right, you tried it?
Oh, shoot. I'm gonna get up there then, I think. I'm gonna try to. Oh, all right. Yeah, it is. My battery better not die. I feel like Rocky climbing up those stairs. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay.
If this thing starts to turn, one of us is going to have to run down there.
I know. Hopefully we don't slide into and knock them off.
No shit. So it's not bad right here. That's a little sketchy there, but
It's still, yeah. Going down isn't too bad. The Billy Goat.
Straight back. Yep. Turn the wheel straight. Don't let them
Oh yeah. And down he goes.
Who's next?
Shh, not me. There you go. That was nice. Skylar, we're good? Okay. That looked cool as hell.
I'm gonna go up there slow. I did too easy.
You're in two-wheel drive.
I forgot I took it out of two-wheel drive. I was wondering why the hell you
Yeah. Nice. Are you going? Oh shoot.
Hey, you got this, buddy.
Woo. Nice. It's like it's nothing.